First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
It was the coldest morning of the fall so far, but we will not see temperatures like this in the morning. Take a look out here in the hill country. Almost everyone had a freeze. In fact, we saw a couple of 23 and 24 degree readings in rural western Llano County and some real low-lying areas out there. Even around the metro area, most suburbs and rural locations did freeze this morning, though we have not yet had our first official freeze at Camp Mabry in the middle of Austin. On average, that happens the first week of December. Our eastern counties stayed just above freezing in a lot of locations, but we did see some readings as cold as 28 and 29 degrees in rural Bastrop and Fayette County, and probably some other locations as well. Temperatures tonight under a clear sky, mild, 57 degrees, and it's not really going to get cold at all tonight. A big change from the weather we saw just 24 hours ago. The low temperature in the morning, 48 degrees is all here in the city. By noon, up to 69. Your tailgate ought to be in full, underway fully by noon hour, and the weather will be certainly cooperating. It'll be great. About 5 o'clock, 75 degrees or so. Speaking of the tailgate and the football game tomorrow, let's zoom right in on DKR there and the forecast for the game. Wonderful. 75 degrees. Kickoff is at 2:30. Winds be south about 10 to 15 miles per hour. A lot different than the weather will be when A&M comes to town, I'm afraid, on Thanksgiving night. That could be pretty darn cold. Temperatures around the area right now, mid-50s in most locations. Pick out your hometown there, and it's not bad, I suspect. 57 and clear at Mabry, 50 and clear out at ABIA. Winds have gone southerly now. Sunrise in the morning at 7:01. Mold count was high today. Our allergy forecast for Saturday, medium. Should drop a little bit tomorrow. Around the state, pretty mild, really, around most of Texas. Just about everybody in the 50s. Clouds increasing out over New Mexico tonight, and that's a sign of what's coming our way. A large area of low pressure is going to slowly evolve here over the next 4 or 5 days, eventually kicking out next week just before Thanksgiving. Between now and then, we get warmer and warmer each day, but we also get more moisture surging up from the Gulf of Mexico each day. So patchy fog, maybe in the morning, certainly by Sunday morning, and then patchy drizzle too by Sunday morning, and then every morning right up until that front gets here sometime now, it looks like on Wednesday. Between now and then, again, cloudy to start the day tomorrow, we believe. Then some sunshine in the afternoon. Then Sunday morning, not only cloudy, maybe some patchy drizzle, and then Sunday afternoon remains mostly cloudy. And then beyond that, that pattern should repeat every day through Wednesday. Front comes in, we think, Wednesday evening, most likely, maybe afternoon. So much colder weather expected on Thanksgiving, and a freeze area-wide, including in Austin, by Friday morning, the day after Thanksgiving. Lows tonight, 40s to near 50. High temperatures tomorrow, mid-70s. Enjoy it. 48 tonight, low clouds coming in later. Let's go morning, 48 with overcast conditions, but 75 by afternoon with a little sunshine breaking through. And here's the 7-day forecast. More and more moisture, more and more clouds, but very warm. Look at that warm, those warm mornings and warm afternoons. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday even. And then Thanksgiving Day is when we're colder. And by Friday morning, you may not be wanting to stand in line for those bargains early Friday morning. Forecasting a low in the city of about 30 degrees.